Is your monitor randomly going blank for 1 or 2 seconds while you're gaming, then suddenly coming back as if nothing happened? The good news is that this issue is usually caused by display connection problems, graphic driver issues, refresh rate conflicts, or monitor settings. And in most cases, it's completely fixable. So in today's video, we are going to show you several proven solutions to stop your monitor from randomly turning black while gaming on Windows. The first thing you should check is your display cable. A loose or faulty HDMI or DisplayPort cable can cause your monitor to temporarily lose signal, resulting in a brief black screen. So I need you to turn off your PC and monitor, unplug the display cable from both ends, check for any bent pins or damage, and firmly reconnect the cable. If possible, try a different HDMI or DisplayPort cable. And if you are using an older cable, upgrading to a certified high-quality cable can often resolve intermittent signal loss. And of course, do not forget to update your graphics driver. Remember, outdated or corrupted GPU drivers are one of the most common causes of black screen during gaming. So to update your graphics driver, right-click the Start menu, open Device Manager, expand Display Adapters, right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver. For best results, download the latest driver from your GPU manufacturer's website, and after installing the update, restart your computer and test your games again. And remember to also disable the variable refresh rate features temporarily. Features like G-Sync, FreeSync, Adaptive Sync can cause sometimes VRIP signals interruptions if there is a compatibility issue between your monitor and your graphics card. To test this, open your GPU control panel, locate the G-Sync or FreeSync settings, temporarily disable the feature and launch your game and see if the black screen disappears. If the issue is resolved, you can try enabling the feature after updating your monitor firmware and graphics driver. And then remember to disable the full screen optimizations. Some games may experience display issues to Windows full screen optimization. To disable it, I want you to locate the game's executable file, right-click it and select Properties, open the Compatibility tab, check Disable Full Screen Optimizations, click Apply and OK, and launch the game again and check if the issue is fixed. Another option that you can do is test another display port or HDMI port. A failing port on either the monitor or graphics card can cause brief signal drops. Try a different HDMI port, a different display port connection, another monitor if available. This can help determine whether the issue is related to monitor, cable, or graphics card. Finally, you need to update the monitor firmware. Many modern gaming monitors receive firmware updates that improve compatibility with G-Sync, FreeSync, high refresh rates, DisplayPort connections. So always visit your monitor's manufacturer support and check whether a newer firmware version is available. If your monitor randomly turns black for a couple of seconds while gaming, the issue is usually caused by a faulty display cable, outdated graphics drivers, refresh rate conflicts, adaptive sync settings, or overheating hardware. Start with the simple fixes like checking cables and updating drivers, then work through the more advanced solutions until the problem is resolved. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel and we will see you again in the next video.